Right now, the world spends over 400 billion every year on software engineering. That's companies hiring developers, maintaining code bases, and writing the software that powers every business on the planet. But what if we could replace or supercharge human coders with AI software agents? Subnet 62 is building AI agents that code, debug, and even optimize software just faster, cheaper, and way more scalable. Ridges has also developed a go-to-market approach. Phase 1, prove agent performance over real engineering benchmarks, showing these agents can solve the same task humans coders do today. Phase 2, scale enterprise adoption, giving companies affordable access to high-performing AI devs without the overhead of salaries, benefits, or burnout. And because this is built on Bittensor, there's a powerful incentive. Winner takes all minor emissions. That means the best performing agents don't just deliver value, they earn the largest share of rewards from the network. Ridges AI is also open source. It's not only one company developing AI agents. Anybody can contribute to the logic, anybody can contribute to the innovation. And the competitive spirit, in my opinion, builds out the innovation. It's why I truly believe they can compete with some of the biggest centralized entities in the world. Centralized competitors like Anthropic, Claude, or OpenAI's models charge premium prices that can balloon into hundreds of thousands per month when scaled to enterprise use. Ridges agents, they can operate for a fraction of that cost, up to 380 times cheaper, because they don't rely on one giant model. Instead, they combine smaller models with optimized agent logic, guiding the system like a human developer would. And the timing couldn't be better. The demand for developers is only growing. The market is massive and the tools are here. And not to add, Ridges AI has a full product launch coming sometime in September 2025. You can expect API integrations, a full agent marketplace, and all type of collaborative tools. I'm also excited about the potential of Ridges AI for anybody that's buying into the alpha. You might have seen my X post when I said, I believe Ridges AI can hit anywhere between a $500 million market cap or a $1 billion market cap or higher. And when you think about some of its competitors like Anthropic, in my opinion, we are still early. So this is the time to get excited about artificial intelligence, and what better platform than Bittensor, right? Bittensor incentivizes AI and intelligence, and it allows developers, builders, any developers that have an idea or feel like they're a genius at whatever they're developing, executing, and shipping, a fair opportunity to put that idea into reality. So I'm excited about the Bittensor ecosystem, guys. The AI narrative isn't going anywhere. Artificial intelligence has just become a thing, really, and I believe that it's only going to grow and expand from here on out. If you like these type of videos on Bittensor Subnet and you want to know more about Ridges AI Subnet 62, be sure to check out my full breakdown. I'll tag it at the top of one of these videos and also leave the links in the descriptions. Make sure you engage with the video and let me know, how high do you think Subnet 62 can go? And for all the people that do navigate throughout the Bittensor ecosystem, let me know in the comments what your favorite Tau subnet is. It's your boy Crypto Millie, and I'll see you in the next one.